Hey y'all, Jessie Peterson here with Let's Make Art. Good job making time for art. Let's get started. Are y'all ready for some printmaking practice? Okay, we're gonna start with a really easy technique, and I'm calling it color blocking, and we're gonna use this little print tool. But if you have like a credit card or something kind of that size, that's what you're gonna need. And I'm going to just do a page of my journal, because sometimes I think this blank journal can be kind of intimidating. It's like, you know, scary, all these blank pages. So sometimes I like to just do a little color block to warm up myself to a page, and I can go back and decide what I'm going to do about it. So to color block this, we're going to just grab some, we'll do aloe. You can use whatever color you want. I'm just going to put a little, you can do dots or a stripe of paint, whatever. You can even do, you know, just do a little dot of this. That was a lot, but that's gonna be all right. And a little, I've been using this paint. It's not, there we go, a little dot of that. And you're just gonna take your tool and you're gonna swipe it down like this. It just gives us a little color on our thing to work with. Now, at this juncture, I didn't get my gold, so I can wipe this off and go for another swipe. Or you could have mixed the paint and got crazy. It's either way. It's all good. Just going to do a little swipe of that. You can have a lot of fun with these little color swatches, but I think that's fun. We'll leave that how it is. And that is the color block. We didn't even use our jelly plate. We just put paint right on there. But what's nice about this is that it gives you a background for another print. Now, if you thought, oh, I want to add some more, you can add some more. We can drop umber on there too if we wanted to get crazy. And this could be a standalone page. Got a bunch of these sitting around. They're all different shapes, but that's all right. Just grab some umber. Oh yeah, I like that. It turned out cool. And the fun thing about this paint, when you do a color swipe, color block, whatever you want to call it, is it dries fast because you just smushed it and it's really thin, so it dries really quick. Isn't that fun? That's color blocking, and you can do a lot of different things with that. Thanks so much for taking the time to create with us. We love to see what you made, and we love to share those things in a community with people who will support you. So you can share those with us on our Facebook group, Let's Make Art Journals, or on our Instagram using the hashtag Let's Make Art Journals. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.